Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and welcome to part 2 of Valentine's Day decorating. I am so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, Burga. I've talked about Burga so many times on this channel, and that's because I seriously love them. I've been using burgacases now for well over a year, and that's because once you try one, it's seriously impossible to go back. What I love about burgacases is that they are protective without being bulky, and the designs feel like accessories, not just phone cases. I just got a new iPhone 17, so I'm thrilled to put a new case on. This is one of the new ones that I just got, and I absolutely love it. Their designs are inspired by fashion trends, so your phone not only looks gorgeous, but it stays fully protected. This is a tough case. These are my favorite. I love the smooth design. The inside has this fantastic protective layer, and all of their cases have this bezel that protects your cameras, which is so important because I use my phone to film every day. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy on. They also use CloudGuard technology, which basically means serious drop protection. Everything is made on demand, so you're not getting something that's been mass produced or overdone. Plus, they come with a 12-month warranty, which I personally love because it shows how confident they are in their quality. I also had to get myself a cute case for Valentine's Day, but let's be honest, I'm a pink girl. I'm gonna use this all the time. But how cute is this case? I love the lips. I'm also obsessed with their current collaboration with Thomas Lelu. It's bold, artistic, it feels really elevated, and I picked up this case for my daughter. This is one of their elite cases. You can see it's got this beautiful metal detail in the bezel. It's got great grips on the sides, and this keeps your phone very well protected because as an 18-year-old college student, she is very harsh on her phone for sure. I also love that Burga isn't just phone cases. They have tons of other fantastic matching accessories. I know I've shared with you before my laptop cover, which I absolutely love. And to go with my new phone case, I had to pick up a travel mug, which is gorgeous. This will keep your coffee hot or your ice water cold. And my absolute favorite accessory that they have is their magnetic power banks. These are fantastic little magnetic batteries that you can just attach to your phone, automatically starts charging for you, and it matches your phone case so you can't even see that it's on there. Like I already mentioned, I use my phone to film all the time, so I have a fully charged magnetic power bank with me at all times, and I love that it can match my phone and just look so adorable. I am loving this print. Like, this is gorgeous, and it's perfect for our Charlotte Grove After Dark era. And right now is the perfect time to try Burga out for the first time or stock up. When you use my link, you can buy 4 Burga cases and only pay for 2, which is amazing for friends, family, or just future you. And on top of that, you can get an extra 15% off by using my exclusive code TiffanyX15 at checkout. I'll have the link and my coupon code down in the description box for you, and trust me, if you love beautiful things that hold up to real life, you're gonna love Burga. I already told you it's gonna be impossible to go back once you try, and thank you again to Burga for sponsoring today's video. So if you missed part 1, we did my family room and my entryway. I did decide to break this into 2 videos strictly because there's a lot of decorating, and for me, I just feel like sometimes it's easier A, to do it in increments, and B, to ingest it in increments. So hopefully that's okay with you. Today we're gonna be finishing things up in my kitchen, my dining room, but I do think we might leave the coffee bar for a separate video where we can maybe do some cute Valentine's Day inspired coffees. So glad you're here. Let's jump right into decorating. If you missed part 1, I'll link it for you at the end of this video, and let's get into it. Okay, my friends, to get started, we're gonna go ahead and decorate here in the kitchen in my little hutch cabinet. I love this cabinet. This is always where I start in the kitchen. I just feel like it kind of sets the mood, and it's my favorite place to decorate in the entire house. I don't know why. It just feels like such a cozy little cabinet. So I'm starting by just bringing in touches of red. That was my goal. Didn't want to change a whole lot. I really love the way it looks. So I'm just adding in touches of red and color. So I've got a couple of napkins that I picked up at Home Goods, as well as is this adorable canister, also from HomeGoods. I wanted 3 so I could have one on each shelf, but I only found 2, so we're going to use it in another area. And I love the way this turned out. Very simple, just a couple of changes, but just enough to bring in the holiday. Moving down to this little antique pie safe. This is from antiquefarmhouse.com. I love this thing. It is often sold out, so definitely check it out. I'll link it for you down below, but I cannot make any promises. I adore it though, and I love to decorate in here. So here's that other little canister, also from HomeGoods. I did see these out during Christmas as well, but they just feel way more Valentine's to me. I don't know why. This adorable little oven, like little Dutch oven, is also from HomeGoods, as are these salt and pepper shakers. So very cute. And we're also going to bring in a little ceramic cake, which is actually from Barnes & Noble. They had a great Valentine's display this year full of really cute items, and that little dish was one of them. You can open it up. I thought it would make a great salt cellar as well, but I think it's perfect just the way that it is. And I also am going to add in another little napkin from HomeGoods. These are from Cupcakes and Cashmere, I think is the brand. And this is just such an easy way to pull in color so that you've got coordinating color all throughout your house. These mugs are from Target last year, and I love them. I love red and pink together, and I love roses, so these are perfect. I found these great rubber cooking utensils at HomeGoods this year, and I thought they were perfect to just bring in color throughout the kitchen. Moving into the dining room, we're going to go ahead and start here on this hutch. This is an IKEA hutch that I picked up this last year, and I love to decorate this thing. It's just chock full of fun stuff to look at. And we're starting off with this beautiful handmade swan. This is from Stacy Moore. She is a content creator on Instagram who makes these beautiful handmade wooden items. I'll link it for you down below, her Instagram. But I picked this up last year. It's so beautiful, and I think it just kind of fits in with that romantic vibe that we've got going on in the house right now. Here on this next shelf, I'm just going to kind of play around, move things around. I do end up changing things, but it's all about just trying things out. These quilt squares, these are wooden quilt squares, also from a content creator on Instagram. I will leave all of the details for you down below. This adorable ceramic Frenchie is from HomeGoods as well. When Danny saw it, he was like, "Are you kidding me?" But I just couldn't get over how cute he was. And his little sign says French kisses. Just so cute. Those wooden squares, like I was mentioning, those are from my friend Abby. She has the Instagram Itty Bitty Cottage. I'll link it for you down below, like I said, but she had made these last year, and I thought they were so pretty, and I was happy to add them to my home decor collection. I did grab some for St. Patrick's Day as well. They're so cute. Another thing I love to decorate with are oven mitts. I find these all the time at HomeGoods, and they have them in all the different colors for all the different holidays. And I just think it's such an easy way to tie in the holiday. I did this for Christmas as well, and I love it. I've got another one of those little fake cakes right there. Those are probably my favorite find this year. And these little pillows these are bowl fillers that I got from Target last year, as well as this beautiful little plate with the pink flower, pink rose. I love it. Moving down to this last shelf, all I'm going to do is add the rest of that bowl filler onto the top of these plates. Most of the items here on this shelf are from Scranton Shops. That's an antique shop in Woodstock, Connecticut that I love to shop at, as well as decor pieces from August and March, which is a home decor shop in Putnam, Connecticut that I also love to shop. Probably my favorite place to shop for home decor. I absolutely love it. You can find all kinds of beautiful things there. And then lastly, I'm going to add in these adorable little fake cookies. I believe I got these on Etsy, but to be 100% honest, I don't fully remember. It's been a while, but I'm pretty sure they're from Etsy, and I think they're so cute. Moving into the dining room, I'm starting off with this runner. This is actually from my mother-in-law. She got it at Big Lots a couple of years ago. I saw it on her table, told her how much I loved it, and she actually gifted it to me. And I think it's so cute. That bucket there is from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just filling it with more of those gorgeous faux peonies from Michael's. I love these. Before I shared them on my Instagram, I went ahead and bought more because I was afraid they were going to sell out. And I just think they're so pretty. I literally want them all over my house. They're so very gorgeous, and I just think they look so real. I think I put 4 bundles in here just to make it look really full, and I love the way that looks. The last little space we're going to decorate is my little peg rail here in the dining room. I'm just going to take off a couple of the items, and then we're going to replace a few, starting off with a towel. Again, such a great way to bring in the color that you're working with. And then I have these gorgeous gold metal hearts that I picked up at Browns and Hopkins last year. So very pretty. We're going to hang those. And finally, we're going to bring in a little red hanging heart that is from Hobby Lobby 101 years ago, but still looks equally as adorable. So let's take a look at how everything turned out. And that's going to do it for this Valentine's Day Decorate With Me Part 2. I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me today. It's so fun to bring in touches of the different holidays throughout the year. I am loving all the touches of the pink and red, and so are my family. So I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, I'd love for you to consider giving it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. I post 4 new videos every single week, and I would love to see you again in the very near future. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you very soon. Take care, my friends.